In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify your text using the typography panel. We're focusing on one simple but powerful formatting move: turning your text into a clean, justified block so it aligns neatly on both the left and right edges. This creates a polished, newspaper-style look that can make longer paragraphs feel more structured and professional. First, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Most editors place their formatting controls in a sidebar on the right, where you'll find layout, text, and appearance options. If your workspace feels cluttered, don't worry, just make sure your text element is selected so the relevant controls appear on that side panel. You want to be working in the area that governs the appearance of your text. Within that right side area, look for the section labeled typography. This is where your core text settings live, like font, size, weight, line spacing, and alignment. Sometimes it appears as a tab or a drop-down. If it looks condensed or minimized, simply click on this side to expand it and bring the full typography controls into view. The goal is to have the typography tools open and active so you can make precise adjustments. Once typography is open, find the alignment controls. These are usually represented by small icons with lines indicating left, center, right, and justified, or by a label that says alignment with those options beneath it. Think of this as the switchboard for how your text sits within its container. Now click on Justified. As soon as you do, your paragraph will stretch so that each line, except the last one in a paragraph, aligns with both margins. The editor adjusts the spacing between words to make this work. This effect is best for multi-line paragraphs and columns of text, where consistent edges improve readability and balance. If you notice unusual gaps in very short lines, that's normal. Justification has the biggest payoff in longer blocks of text. Take a moment to scan your text. You should see crisp, straight edges on both sides, giving your layout a tidy, professional finish. If your design includes multiple paragraphs, apply the same alignment consistently to keep your visuals cohesive. That's all there is to it. You went to the right side, open typography, click to focus that side panel, navigated to alignment, and chose Justified. With that one change, your text presentation just got a major upgrade.